Hello, this is Dylan Langei, branch manager and senior loan officer at Evergreen Home Loans. And this video is on our buyer booster program. What this program is a $2,500 credit towards a future refinance. So stick with me for details on this. If you are somebody that's maybe on the fence, not sure if you should pull the trigger now due to interest rates, and you're worried about, well, if rates go down, I'm going to miss out on that opportunity. Stick with me on this. But first, WhatcomHomeLoans.com is my personal website. Bunch of awesome resources on different programs that we have, mortgage updates, all that sort of stuff. Feel free to visit that. And then if you are watching this video on YouTube, make sure you do subscribe so that you see my monthly mortgage updates, as well as any new products or releases or just crazy fun videos that I like to do. So let's dive into this. So I have a lot of home buyers that want to make a move for whatever. They have a growing family. They want to move states for weather reasons, or they want to be closer to family or job relocation, or they're first-time home buyers and they want to jump into this market. And, right now I'm shooting this, it's middle of July 2023, and you're seeing mortgage rates in the high sixes on a 30-year paper. And 2 years ago, we were seeing 2.75. So I've had a lot of people and clients, rightfully so, wanting to sit on the fence because they're worried that if mortgage rates drop, they feel like they're going to lose out. My biggest piece of advice is we also have extremely low inventory. And so if mortgage rates plummet, what's going to happen? There's going to be more buyer demand, which is going to tighten that inventory even more and make it more competitive to secure a home. So there's a lot of sayings right now, marry the house, date the rate, buy the house, rent the rate, all of those. That's exactly what we're getting at. And here at Evergreen, we want to incentivize people to buy now before we see prices get even more inflated because of reduced inventory if and when mortgage rates go down. Which, if you watch any of my previous videos or my mortgage updates, you will see that the Fed is getting a hold of inflation and all of these indicators, nationally and globally. One would think that mortgage rates are going to come down. So let's go over the program details here. So once again, Buyer Booster program gives the borrower client the ability to refinance with up to a $2,500 lender credit for a specific period of time. Okay, Buyer Booster program, it has to be a rate and term or cash out refinance, and you'll get a straight $2,500 lender credit to qualified applicants. I've heard a lot about free refinances. All that means is that the origination fee is getting paid for. We're giving a $2,500 credit, which is more than just the origination fee. So this is a really attractive program. Program is not a guarantee that the borrowers or property will qualify for a refinance, nor is it a guarantee that a lower interest rate or payment can be provided. Okay, once again, we are subject to what the rates are in the market. We do not control those. Here's the date. The borrower must enter into a purchase contract between July 1st and September 29th, 2023. And the refinance must apply and close between July 1st, 2023 and September 29th, 2023. Okay, so if you want to use that so you can use it for a purchase or a refinance, basically any loan closings between that time period, you can use this $2,500 credit. So you'll also get this Buyer Booster certificate. Here's what it looks like. It will have your name up here, the property address, the closing date, and once again, need to be under contract between July 1st and September 29th. You get a $2,500 credit, and you need to use it before 3/31 of 2025. So almost 2 years, and you need to have at least made 6 consecutive on-time payments on the original loan before the refinance. Okay, must be a first lien rate and term refinance or cash on the same property and paying off the loan originally financed by Evergreen Home Loans. And then the refinance application must be on or before March 31st, 2025. So it doesn't actually need to close before that, but it needs to be a full application for the refinance. Eligible refinance loan programs, conventional, conforming or high balance, jumbo, non-bond FHA, VA, USDA. It would not be for any ARM loans, bond loans, or construction loans. Bond loans are the zero down state issued loans. Borrower and property must qualify for the refinance. So once again, you can't just take off the roof to your house and come back to us and want the $2,500 credit for the refinance. It needs to be financeable. And then we're still going to look at the credit, income, and assets. And then you need to make the 6 payments. So, and you can't redeem it for cash, right? We're not giving you a gift card or anything like that. It's being used towards the refinance. So awesome program to buy now. Buy the house now, rent the rate, date the rate, all of those things before rates go down and inventory gets even tighter and home prices get pushed up even more. Contact me with more questions. And once again, do subscribe to the YouTube channel for any future videos to help with any of your home purchase, construction, or refinance needs. All right, we'll see you on the next one.